chair? Is it in the bedroom, in the bathroom, living
In
room,
the living
kitchen?
room. In
Very
the
good. Do
living
you
room.
have an armchair?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Now look, say door.
Door.
Great. So a door is something that opens and
Get ready for movers.
Hello, Mary. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mary. Good evening.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Now, how are you?
I'm good.
Nice, Mary. I want you to look at your book. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Great. So we are now in Unit 2, page 12 to 19. Okay, so we're going to start with reading. It's all about yourself, the things that you like and the things that you don't like. Okay, so what do you like, Mary?
I like chocolate.
Very good. What else? Oh, you like all of that? All right. Now, what are the things that you don't like?
Mm. I don't like spider.
Very good. Wow. What about in here? Look and drag all the things that you like. For example, I like running. I don't like bug. Okay. Wow, very good. Great job, Mary. Okay, what about this one? Do you like this or not?
No. Yeah.
Oh, you like it. Very good. Okay, now what about here? What are the things that you like and you don't like? Nice cat, dog, fruit. You don't like rainy. Wow, nice, Mary. How about this one?
Mm.
Nice. Okay. Now here, Mary, I encourage you to look, say, and drag. This is an example. I don't like a bus. Okay, now your turn. Look, drag, and say.
I don't like the. Mm, oh, I don't like the.
Yes, Mary?
Mm, I don't like the. I like the swimming, the trip, the glue, the walking, the singing.
Very good. Okay, what you don't like?
And um, I don't like. I don't like. Um, I don't like. Mm, 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 I don't like.
You can
Mm.
choose any from here. Do you like crisps? Do you like
Yeah.
the glue?
Yeah.
Do you like singing?
Yeah.
Do you
Mhm.
like riding on a bus?
Hindi
Mm.
ko yan.
Yes or no?
Mm. I
Do
don't
you
like
like
it.
one more, please?
I don't like ride a bus.
Very good. Okay. Now, this time, Mary, we're going to play. Are you ready to play?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Great. Okay, now let me share this one because we're going to draw the dice. Okay, wait me a minute, Mary. Let me just draw this dice for you. Can you see the dice now?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, now let's do this together. So in here, Mary, we're going to roll the dice. Then after we roll the dice, okay, we have five. Let's go back here. Where do we start? We start from this one. Okay, so five, let's move. One, two, three, four, five. So you make a sentence that is true to you. For example, I like reading books. And if we roll again, then it will turn to one. That means go forward to three spaces. Okay. One, two, three. I don't like cooking. So you just look and say sentences that are true to you according to the dice. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Very good. Here it is, Mary. Let's roll it. Da-da-da-dang, da-dang.
Ah.
One. Okay, now let's look at here. One is right here.
Play card game. I like play card game.
Very good. Now let's roll it again. Da-da-da-dang, da-dang. Three. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, roll again, Mary. Let's roll it. Six. Okay. Count with me. One, two, three, four, five, six. Roll again.
Oh,
One. Finally.
I like walking.
Very good. Now let's roll. Six. Wow. Okay, you will be the one to count.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven.
Oh, six, six here, painting.
Um, I love painting.
Wow, nice. Let's roll it. Da-da-da-dang, da-dang. Two. Okay, we have one, two.
I like playing tennis.
Very good, because you like it. Six. Wow. One, two. What should we do after this? Two, three, four, five, six.
Mm, I love go reading now.
Wow, nice. Okay, let's roll it. This is the last one. 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Four. Teacher, four.
Yeah, 4. Okay, you are from here. Okay, like going to the cinema. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Um, I really like watching TV.
Very good, Mary. Nice, because you know what to say about your hobbies. I mean, you know how to say your favorite hobbies. So you have this one great job. Now, this time, let's have a practice, Mary. Okay. Now, these are the children. We have Paul, Jim, Fred, and Peter. W- All you all you have to do is to look at the things in here. Then if it's an X, that means they don't do it. If it's a tick, they do it. This is an example. He likes calling his friends, but he doesn't like emailing them. He loves making things. What's his name? It's Jim. Okay, he likes calling his friends. Very good. Uh, oh, no, 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 wrong. He likes calling his friend. He doesn't like emailing them. He loves making things. What's his name? That's Jim. Okay, now your turn, Mary. Look at number 2. He likes going sailing and going for a swim, but he doesn't like making things. What's his name? Sailing. He likes going sailing and going for a swim. Okay.
Mm,
Now, but he doesn't like making things. So who is it? What's his name?
it's Jim. Yes. Jim.
It's
Jim.
Peter. Peter.
Jim.
Okay, let's look at Peter. He likes going sailing. Where is sailing? This one. Okay. Where is going for a swim? This one. Okay, he likes going for a swim. But he doesn't like making things. That's Peter. If we're going to look at Jim, okay, Jim likes making things. He likes swimming and he doesn't like sailing. So this is Peter. Okay, now what about in here? Your turn, Mary. He likes calling and emailing his friend. He loves cooking dinner, but he doesn't like washing the car. What's his name?
His name is Town.
Wow, let's see. He likes calling his friend and emailing. Very good. He loves cooking dinner, but he doesn't like w- washing the car. Wow, very good. That is Paul. Okay, now what about number 4? He doesn't like cooking dinner or washing the car, but he loves making things and calling his friends.
Is Fred.
Fred, great job. Okay, so for this one, you've got 2 out of 2. So I'm gonna give you one small sunflower, Mary. Okay, now what about here, Mary? Tell me about the things that you like and don't like. Look and write your answer. You can do it, Mary.
I like dog and I like dog and petting, but I don't. But I don't like tiger. I um uh mm, mm, uh um washing car.
Wow. Okay, thank you for that. Now, in here, let's talk about the things that you like to wear and the things that you don't like to wear. Let's talk about clothes. What do you like to wear? And what are the things that you don't like to wear, Mary? Yes, Mary?
I like toys.
I mean, something that we wear. Do we wear the toys? No, right? Okay, what
I
are the
like
things that we
skirt.
wear?
I like
Mm,
skirt. I I like trousers. I like socks. I like shoes. I like uh mm, pack pack bag.
very
I
good.
like I like dress. I like sandal. I like um I like handbag. I like hat.
Great
I
job. What about the
like
things that you don't like? Oh, anyway, Mary, it's already time. Okay, so we will just end here. You've got this. Great job. And one sunflower. Bye bye, Mary.
bye teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye.